Hello students, today we will start exercise 13.6 and it's all about the volume of a cylinder. So first of all, I am telling you what is the volume of a cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder. This is right circular cylinder. In its base there is circle and this is the height of the cylinder. So volume of cylinder equals to, you know very well, the formula for finding the volume is base area, and what is in the base of this cylinder, that is circle, and its area is pi r square. This is r and this is h. So we will multiply it with height, that is h. So its formula will be pi r square h. Now come to the first question. The circumference of the base of a cylindrical vessel is 132 centimeter and its height is 25 centimeter. You can write here circumference of base equals to 132 centimeter. After that, height equals to 25 centimeter. And what is asked, how many liters of water can it hold? So firstly we will find out the volume of the cylinder and then we will convert it into liters. But before that we require two things, R and H. H is given but R is not given. Here circumference of the base is 132 centimeter. From here we will calculate the R. So firstly I am writing, let the base radius of cylinder is equals to R centimeter. So what is circumference? That is 2 pi r. This is the circumference of a circle. So this is 132. Put the value 2 into 22 by 7 into r equals to 132. So this implies r equals to 132 upon into 7 upon 2 into 22. So you can cancel this. 6 ja, 6 ja, 1 ja, 3 ja. So from here you are getting R equals to 21 centimeter. After that you can find volume of cylinder. So you will use the formula pi r square h. So pi is 22 by 7. R square means 21 into 21, and what is h? That is 25. 7 1 ja, after that 3 ja. So when you multiply this, you will get 34650 centimeter cube. But here the quantity of water is asked in liters, so we will convert it into liter by dividing it with 1000. Why? Because we know that 1000 liter equals to 1 meter cube, but 1000 centimeter cube equals to 1 liter. You know, liter will lie between centimeter cube and meter cube. Centimeter cube is smaller than liter, but meter cube is greater than liter. Here the units are in centimeter cube and we are moving to the liter, that is greater than this, so we will divide it by 1000. Here you will write water can be contained in cylinder. So nothing you will do, just divide this volume with 1000. So what you will get, 34.65 liters of water it can hold.